Have you ever heard of a blooming quilt square? Even if you don't quilt, watch this technique because it's so fast and easy you may want to use it. Start with 2 pieces of fabric and sew them at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then you're going to go from corner to corner and draw a line and then turn and do that on the other side. And that's going to be your cut line, but you're only going to cut through the very top layer of fabric. So separate them out. Make one little snip to get started. And then cut out that X that you drew. Again, only going through the top layer and getting as close to the corner edge stitching as you can. Once that's done, open it up. You can see it's blooming open, and then iron it flat. You can see the seams are real flat. This is exactly how you want it to look. Then you're going to top it with another layer of fabric. It's getting a little bit bigger now. Same exact process you're going to repeat. Sew at a 1/4 inch all the way around. And then draw your X from corner to corner. Cut out the top layer only and open it up. Watch it bloom open. Then iron all those seams flat. There you have it, a perfect square ready to quilt for any project. Trim out those corners just to square up your square. And then look at that. You can do it different ways, have different looking quilt squares. They can go together different ways. You can make these bigger. You could add a border around. You could even put these two together, sew them straight. Or you could put one on top of the other. Do that same process again. Sew it at a 1/4 inch all the way around and open it up and see what that looks like. That's going to look even different. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this something you would want to try?